Welcome back to our video, guys. Today we're going to be smashing a watermelon, which is pretty sick. I would say so. And, this watermelon right here, it's a high-quality watermelon. This watermelon, it's smashed, it's going to be like no other. It's going to be beautiful. Just you watch.
So that was my son with the narration in the intro. He did a great job. He's got a lot of experience watching YouTube videos, so he knows what he's doing. So in this video, I'm going to be refurbishing an old club that I made a couple years ago. I was never really happy with how it turned out, so I want to remove these furniture tacks and replace them with these old nails. And then after that's done, I'm going to paint the whole thing with resin and kind of lock in the bark and make sure it doesn't keep falling apart. When we're done, we'll have a very deadly little club that might have been used by a baby orc, if such a thing exists. And we'll use it to smash a watermelon. Alright, let's get started. If you're wondering, yes, the resin does come off the silicone, and I decided to spray the club with satin spray paint just because it was just too glossy. And then I filled in these cavities with more resin. And always be sure to pop the bubbles. Very important. Alright, so here's the finished club. I think it turned out pretty nice. It's time to smash a watermelon.
Okay.
Pat it.
Okay, are you ready, buddy?
Okay.
Stand this. Oh,
3, 2, 1, smash! Smash! I believe that can I smash that one?
you can do it once. Okay. Just like twist it around. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yes.
3, 2, 1, smash! Drink the juice from the watermelon. I didn't get to smash it really that hard. Okay. This one's gonna break in half according to him. So 3, 2, 1, smash! So 3, 2, 1, smash! Now drink the juice from the melon.
All right.
Whoa!
Beautiful.
I don't know how we're gonna cut that one. I gotta give me a close up.
Okay, can you hit stop on my phone? I don't have any hands left.
And now that all the kids are gone, I decided to see if it would kill this chicken. Yes, it did. I had no idea what this thing was made of. Beautiful. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.